म्हादयचे 7 TMC उदक मलप्रभेत वळोवंक दिवचें म्हूण कर्नाटकान ट्रिब्युनला मुखार अंतरीम अर्ज घाल्लो। कर्नाटकांत उदकाची सामकी मारामारी आशिल्ल्यान तात्पुरते 7 TMC उदक आतां सद्या दिवचें म्हूण कर्नाटकाची मागणी। मात गोंय सरकारान जापेत कर्नाटकाक उजराव काडला। मलप्रभेच्या उदकाचो कर्नाटक कशी दाखय लिपय करता तें गोंय सरकारान आपल्या जापेत स्पश्ट केलां।
Goa has filed a very strong reply. Reply runs into around 210 pages. It has about 131 paragraphs. And the reply completely exposes the very hollow, false and concocted case put up by the Karnataka. The way they built the Malaprabha Dam without having made a proper study. Number two, they are claiming artificial water scarcity there when they are supplying 4 lakh liters of water every day to PepsiCo unit. They have set up around 3-4 industrial estates where they are supplying water. Number two, sugarcane cultivation has gone from 1.6 hectares to 1,844 hectares, which is phenomenal. It's a water guzzling crop. They have given permission for sugar industry. So all that has been raised. The water resources have been completely mismanaged and utilization of water resources is completely wrong.
ह्या केशीन महाराष्ट्रान कर्नाटकाक तेंको दिला। म्हादयचो हो ओलीत वाठार महाराष्ट्राचो काय कर्नाटकाचो हाचेर सुप्रीम कोर्टान सध्या दोन्ही राज्यांची सीमावादाची केस चल्ल्या। केस महाराष्ट्राचे फावरात जाल्यार पासून उदकाचेर आपलो अधिकार उरचो म्हूण कर्नाटका म्हादयचे उदक मलप्रभेत वळोवंक सोदता म्हूण गोंयचो दावो।
पण म्हादय टेरिटरी डिस्प्युटान आहा तेजेरूय कितें म्हटलां?
That is in dispute. And it is seriously disputed by Karnataka and Maharashtra. This portion under the Mahajan Commission and otherwise also Maharashtra is claiming Belgaum, Kankumbi, Khanapur area. So if that goes to Maharashtra, then the question of Karnataka laying its claim is out of question. But unfortunately for us, the state of Maharashtra has filed a reply which is supporting Karnataka. So I do not know what kind of politics they are playing there.
ह्या अंतरीम अर्जाचेर 12 जुलयाक ट्रिब्युनला मुखार सुनावणी जातली। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार।